Hey guys, it's Daniel. So my wife's been making bullets again, and I just kind of wanted to show them off a little bit. Some of these are the ones we had before, but she's added some new ones. I love that. That's 9.09 grams, 683 caliber. And those are buckshot. Jokers. Those are actually black sand in the epoxy. Those are the alcohol ink. Like that blue one there. These are the 68 caliber, and these are 50 cal. Lots of the alcohol ink and the epoxy with these. And the 50 cal ones are weighing around 1.7. That's an average or so. And these, I think the heaviest one is going to be the one with all the BBs there. And then it's going to be 9.09 grams. And then a lot of these are coming in, let's see here. That's 6.47 grams. And then the ones with the single BB, 3.4 grams. The black sand one is 4.65. So that's a real good happy place there. Okay. Anyway, I thought they were pretty cool. Just wanted to show them off.